Rooster, who has an owie on his butt.
Okay, so we did it like this.
Okay, so how are we do? We gotta tape it to stay on.
Yeah, I know. So we're gonna do the same thing except tape it with duct tape this time.
Okay, we need to make sure no duct tape is on his feathers because it'll rip them off. So we might need more of those because the duct tape's pretty thick.
Okay, move your hips.
Ew, poor Roosty. And then, okay, I'm holding him down. I need to hold that on, and then
Okay, perfect.
tight. Well, just get it on for now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just
pull
stop.
it out first.
Okay, cut
Okay,
that off.
careful.
Cut that off. Rip it.
Oh crap.
Don't we have scissors somewhere?
Then strip it.
No, we do. Get the scissors.
Silly little lips. Right there. Get chicken. I can find this whole time.
You're gonna take them out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was pressed.
Leave your towel on, Rooster. He's like, I'm trying.
Okay.
They mean to me. Okay.
That's a
Release Roosty back to his life. Here comes all the chicks. And the ducks. The trio. My God. See what happens. It's him in the neck. God, chickens are funny.
I think he's breathing on the neck
Hi, Roosty. So we had to lock Roosty up because the thing fell off his tail. Hey, Rooster. He's at least growing still. He's not happy though. We had to figure out something to put on his butt so it doesn't get pecked. Yeah, so he can be free again. So we've decided to let our rooster out in the morning before the other hens and chicks are let out. He's been out for a while now. He's got to go back up. And it looks like he's taking a dirt bath and he's very happy.